Understanding work remotely, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, work remotely. This term has become increasingly popular, especially in today's digital world. Whether you're learning English for work, travel, or personal growth, understanding this concept is crucial. So, let's dive in. Work remotely refers to the ability to perform your job duties from a location other than a traditional office. This could mean working from home, a coffee shop, or even a different country. The key aspect is that you are not physically present in your company's office. There are several reasons why people choose to work remotely. These include 1. Flexibility. It offers the freedom to manage your work schedule around other commitments. 2. Reduced commuting. It eliminates the need to travel to an office, saving time and reducing stress. 3. Work-life balance. It can lead to a better balance between your professional and personal life. To work remotely effectively, various tools are used. These include communication tools, like Slack and Zoom, for staying connected with colleagues. Project management software, such as Asana or Trello, to keep track of tasks. Cloud services, for accessing and sharing documents online. While working remotely has many benefits, it also comes with challenges. 1. Isolation. Lack of physical interaction with colleagues can sometimes lead to feelings of loneliness. 2. Distractions at home. It can be harder to focus if your home environment is not conducive to work. 3. Overworking. The blurring of home and work life can lead to longer working hours. Working remotely is an evolving trend that offers many benefits but also requires discipline and the right tools to be effective. We hope this video helps you understand the concept of work remotely better. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!